My name is Hugo da Silva. I'm Vice President of DSM Additive Manufacturing Business. What we try to bring to the market, it's a different way to accelerate 3D printing adoption. We create the application knowledge, together building an ecosystem, so companies that are around us will help accelerate adoption and also having different business models. So we are really thinking out of the box, how can we accelerate adoption of 3D printing? 3D printing already have several things implicit on the manufacturing method, like less waste, use of less materials, enable less CO2 emission by decentralized manufacturing. And together with all that, you can imagine that digital tools are essential to make that happen in a faster way. We have a very close collaboration with MSC. The simulation tools allow customers to do first time right. In the past, when there was no digital tools, when there was no Digimat, so this was taking years of development or months of development. But today you can do that with a few clicks on a button. So you can do that in a few hours, and then you can simulate several types of scenarios to find out what would be the best connection between design, materials, and product. And then you move to the printing, which is the next step. The future of the whole industry will come from digital tools. The main challenge we face today is that there is not enough knowledge to move to a digital manufacturing. As many simulation tools, design tools available, that will get this knowledge gap shorter and shorter and shorter. That's why this is so important. And for us as a material company, developing new materials, it's also coming to the same challenge. We need to design, we need to simulate, we need to understand, because the materials that were available for injection molding might not be the same available for 3D printing. And using simulation tools enable us to create better materials which has a best fit for the application. Reality is, the market of today, the speed of the market today is 10 times or even 100 times faster than in the past. So product development and product realization requires a lot more speed. Having a platform like 10X available to our customer, it helps them to accelerate innovation. So if you think about a concept or an idea, and if we can follow a full digital workflow all the way from an idea realization to a manufacturing, so having a platform like this, it helps customers to speed up adoption. And we think that the use of digital tools together with additive manufacturing, you can enable the sustainable manufacture of the future, which means instead of making so many parts, you can do all that in the digital workflow and understand how that behaves and how that's going to be a product before you even do any manufacturing. Building on the great partnership we have already with eExtreme, we invite companies around the world to be part of that. And for us as DSM, what we want is to create bright lives for all. And by using the power of digital tools and the material science knowledge we have, we believe we can accomplish that.